This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. Threat actors have released a trojanized Python package pretending to be the legitimate SDK for the trusted cybersecurity firm SentinelOne. The malware offers the expected functionality, allowing easy access to the SentinelOne API. However, it has been trojanized to steal sensitive data from compromised developer accounts. Some of that stolen data includes bash and ZSH histories, SSH keys, .gitconfig files, host files, AWS configuration info, and much more. The targeted data commonly contains auth tokens, secrets, and API keys, and it is believed that the threat actors intentionally targeted developer environments for further access to their cloud services and servers. This is another reason why we need to verify the packages that we download from the internet before using them.
Listen to today's entire episode of It's 505 on your favorite podcast platform.